You ready, guys? Okay, Koa, what's your full name? Tell me your full name.
Koa.
Alex.
Alex Star Wars.
And what about you, Sky?
Sky Star Wars.
That's right. And where do you live?
We live in California.
We live in Alameda, right?
We live in Alameda.
Did we just move here?
Yeah.
Where did we move here from? We moved here from Southern California. And where's Mommy from? Where am I from?
Work.
Denmark.
Denmark.
And where's Daddy from? Chicago. Yeah. And let's see, how did Dad get here? I think Dad...
His bicycle.
He uses a bicycle, that's right. But we got here to Alameda. Let's see.
A bus.
I'm the first immigrant, and you guys were born here. And
Yeah.
Daddy is I think he's a fourth immigrant, because his relatives was actually slaves. That's right. That's very cool. That's all it was. And do you like living here in Alameda?
Yeah.
It's pretty cool.
It's pretty cool.
Yeah. Okay, are you ready? Are we done?
Yeah.
Okay, say bye.
Bye.
Are you gonna push?